This is my PhD in chemistry, and this is how enthalpy is involved in air conditioning. Let's go over the air conditioning example. As stated previously, AC works on vapor compression cycles, which use a refrigerant that undergoes phase changes that facilitates the transfer of heat. The key stages of the cycles where enthalpy plays a cooling role is in the evaporation stage, similar to sweating. Inside the evaporator coil, the liquid refrigerant absorbs heat from the environment like water in a glass that gets warmer and evaporates, turning from a liquid to a vapor. This process involves a significant increase in enthalpy as the refrigerant absorbs heat, resulting in a cooling effect on the surrounding area.